Hey guys, welcome back to another quick how-to. And today I'll be teaching you on how you can add a WhatsApp button on Wix website. The first is you have to open your Wix website, and now that you're here, you just have to click on this plus icon or the add elements icon right here at the left side of your screen. Now just click on the button element. Okay, this one. And then under the buttons, you'd be able to see here the text and icon buttons. So you just have to select it. And once you're here, you just have to select this message icon. Okay, so you can drag this or simply click it and it will be added to your page. Now I'm just going to resize this one for you to see it clearly. And then to add your phone number or link right here, you just have to click on it and then click on this linked icon. Okay, and then select the phone number. Okay, and then type out right here your WhatsApp number, and then you just have to click on the done button to save your changes. And once your customers or the people who visit your website click on this icon right here, they'll be redirected to your phone number. Okay, so that's it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more quick how-to videos next time. Adios.